Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamla. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's been a while guys. I did this kind of a first impressions review and haul kind of a video. I'm super excited for this video guys, since I bought a products from Beauty Bay. You're gonna see that later. It's gonna be a mini haul also. I'll be showing what are the products I bought it from Beauty Bay, and I have a few products that I recently purchased from Nykaa and everything. I'll be going to do my some products review, some products first impressions, everything in this video guys. So you might like this video if you're follower of me from beginning. If you have seen my first impressions video, then you're gonna love this video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video guys. Thank you so much for coming here, and yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna start off with the lip balm. For the lip balm, I have the Just Herbs Crowd Source kit. So this is the kit they send like Just Herbs send for their customers to try the products before they launch. So this time they are launching their lip mask. So with the 6 different variants like lip scrubs and lip balms. So I have been trying their lip mask in 3 different variants. Let me show you the packaging, everything, and this is not the original packaging guys. These are so this is what they have sent me. These are lip masks. So I have in the variant peach, mint and cardamom. This is not the original packaging. This is the sample size. I have been trying all 3 different variants. So I really like all the variants. Only the flavors have changes, but the quality and the quality remains the same. Only the flavor is different. The moisturization, everything is really amazing guys. So currently I have been using the mint lip mask. So I have already tried the cardamom and peach lip mask. Seriously guys, really amazing. So once I applied this lip mask, I never apply my lip mask again. So just reapplying this because to show you how it looks on screen. So as you can see, it's really a thick mask. So it's almost competes the higher end lip mask. So I feel it almost like a Laneige lip mask. It might be a dupe for that. I really liked all the 3 different variants. So I haven't tried the lip scrub because it didn't use for lip scrub because the mask itself nourished my lips, moisturized my lips. So I didn't try the scrub at all. But once I try, I'm gonna mention my opinion somewhere in YouTube or Instagram. So let me move on to the moisturizer. So for the moisturizer, I have been currently using the Dr. Sheth's Aloe and Panthenol Hydrating Gel. So this is what it looks like. So it's a clear mattifying moisturizer. So with aloe vera is there. So I'm gonna take this much. This also contains 2% niacinamide, 2% urea, 1% panthenol and aloe vera extract. It's great for blemished skin, oil skin, and it hydrates my skin very nicely and mattifies my skin thoroughly. So throughout the day I haven't seen any kind of oiliness at all. It seriously moisturizes my skin very well. And also guys, further to mention you, lip mask haven't launched till now. So they might launch anytime this week or next week. So if they launch, you can use my code Satya15 to get a 10% discount on Just Herbs website, and also you get 10% discounts for Dr. Sheth's products on Sublime website. I'm gonna mention all the discount codes in the description box, so you can go and check that out. So as you can see, my skin feels super moisturized and nourished and also mattified. So next we'll be moving on to the primer. For the primer, I have the Rimmel matte primer. This is their mattifying primer. So if you remember, for my Raksha Bandhan makeup video, I have used this primer. That was the first time I used. I really like the finish of the primer. So as you can see, it's a thick primer. So and also it mattified my skin thoroughly. I really like the way it applied on my skin and stood on my skin after applying the foundation. So Rimmel primers are really nice. Their matte primer also really good. I have mentioned so many times. So I think this is their new variant. So I'm willing to try their mattifying foundation and concealer, but I didn't get a chance to try. If you guys want me to review their new foundation and concealer, do let me know in the comments. So next we'll be moving on to the foundation. For the foundation, I have this Sugar Drop the Base serum foundation in the shade Mocha. So I bought way long this before, but I haven't tried on my YouTube videos. I have only tried for Instagram and I really liked. I did not review this foundation at all, so thought let me include this in this video. So this is what the original packaging looks like. It comes with a dropper. So this says ultra thin shine perfecting anti-aging formula that provides seamless coverage for a youthful natural finish. So this is a really liquid in consistency, so you need to shake the bottle before it uses. So before we use, so as you can see, this comes in this kind of a dropper. I'm going to drop each drop. So, and the shade is also really good. It matches perfectly. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to spread the foundation because it's too liquidy. The beauty blender may soak the foundation. So I'm just going to spread all over my face and then I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. As you can see, the coverage is also really good and the shade matches perfectly. Well, now I'm gonna use my beauty blender. So look at the coverage, guys. I really like the coverage, and the shade range is matching perfectly. I'm just looking on my viewfinder, and also guys, I'm sitting in natural light, so please don't mind. So before marriage I used to live only one person here in this room, so I used to keep all my studio lights. Now me and my husband both share this room. I don't have space to keep all my lightings and all, so I just remove all the lightings and background. That's why I sit in this natural light. But whatever I'm saying is true. You can see almost clearly what I'm applying. So guys, as you can see, this side I can see maximum coverage. This side I have a little bit of blemishes, so that's why it didn't cover. I'm gonna use little bit more to cover this portion of my face. So it's a medium to buildable coverage, I think. And it is not super mattifying. It is like a natural finish it's giving me. I don't feel any heaviness at all, but blending wise it blended beautifully into my skin. So guys, I don't have any new concealer to try on, so I'll be using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Longwear Concealer in the shade 160 and 145. Seriously guys, beautiful concealer in the drugstore. I really like this one. So after my PAC concealer, I have been addicted to this concealer. This is little bit pricey, but you just need to take that much and you get maximum coverage, and you can cover your hyperpigmentation, everything. Now I have applied the shade 160. So as you can see, the coverage, it's worth the investment. So you just need 1 or 2 drops to cover your hyperpigmentation and darkness around your mouth, darkness around your eyes. So literally covers your everything. So now I'm gonna use the shade 145 to just highlight my face. I'm gonna apply this on my cheekbones and on my under eyes. So using this shade only, I'm gonna highlight my face. So this is one shade lighter for my skin tone. So, and also this beauty blender is really amazing. This is from Mars. So I have reviewed some Mars Cosmetics products. I am gonna leave the link over here for the video. You're gonna love the video, guys, if you haven't tried Mars Cosmetics. So before setting this concealer, I'm gonna use one product which I really liked. So this is the Ilana Beat tint. This is a lip and cheek tint. I really like this tint. So once I tried, it stood for 7 to 8 hours. So I really like this tint, guys. It's a little bit pricey, but worth. If you are a person who loves this kind of a tint, then definitely you can go ahead and try this one. So this comes in this kind of a roller. I'm just going to apply this on my cheekbones. So if you're in a hurry, you just want that flush of cheeks, and this is good to go. So you can use your fingers just to blend like that. So what I like to do, I just use my fingers to spread the product, and then I'm gonna blend further with my beauty blender. Otherwise the beauty blender might soak a little bit of the product. I don't want to waste any of my product, seriously. And also using your fingers will get the maximum pigmentation. As you can see, just blended beautifully into the skin. Now I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend with the foundation or cream products. Now I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me compact powder to set my concealer. So I don't have any new product, the loose powder. So if you want me to try any loose powder, do let me know in the comments, because I am confused which one to try. So nowadays I'm very concerned about spending on the products. So initially I used to buy everything and review for you guys. Now after marriage, every thing is purely concern. So if the product going to waste, I don't want to waste the product, and also I don't want to waste that money. So everything matters after marriage now. So I'm very concerned. So I'm gonna dust off the excess powder. I'm gonna use the same powder to set my entire face. I'll be moving with the compact also. As you can see, the foundation concealer looks very seamless, and I really like the face. As you can see, so nice. So once we set with everything, it just falls into the place. So next I'm gonna use my K Beauty compact powder in the shade 165. As you can see, I have hit the pan. So this is the first compact powder which I hit the pan, and also it is very less amount, but then to hitting a pan is something very good. So means the product is so amazing. So literally whenever I go out, whenever I travel, I literally take this powder. It just sets my face oil free, shine free, and very mattified, and the coverage remains the same. So at this point I'm gonna set my entire face with the Forever 52 makeup fixing spray. So guys, this is the time to share my Beauty Bay haul with you guys. So literally I have products for bronzer, blush, highlight, and for eyeshadow. So everything I have received in this kind of a package. So I just removed and just saw whether everything is ready. I mean everything is good. So as you can see, I have a bunch of products. I'm gonna show you one by one. So before sharing this haul, let me give you a backstory about the brand and the website, everything. So Beauty Bay, it's an international website. They ship all over the world. I think 2 or 3 countries are left. I don't know which countries, but they ship to India. So they have international products like Anastasia, Be Perfect Cosmetics, and Makeup Revolution, and Suave Beauty, and they have multiple brands. So you can go ahead and check. So they have their own products, like their own makeup products, like Nykaa has their own products now, like likewise they have their Beauty Bay products. So majorly they manufacture eyeshadow palettes. I really like their eyeshadow palettes. So initially I bought one of the palettes back in 2019. After that I did not purchase anything from Beauty Bay because of heavy shipping and heavy customs duty. So this time they had like a 15 days back, they had 40% discount offer, and I placed few of them below 5,000, above 4,500 they had free shipping, and also below 5,000 I think there will be no customs duty, because I did not pay any customs fees on this haul. So I literally shopped for 4,782 rupees, and I did not pay 1 rupee as a single, so I did not pay any shipping charges, and I did not pay any customs. So this is like a bonus, like jackpot. So I placed, luckily there was no customs. So I just I used my debit card to pay the payment, guys. You can use credit card, debit card, whatever. I did not get any extra fees for that also. So it's literally for 4,700 rupees whatever I shopped from Beauty Bay. Let me start from the first palette. So this is their bright matte eyeshadow palette. This is their 42 color eyeshadow palette. So this is the palette. Looks like this palette comes with 42 different colors. This is a colorful palette. This all the shades are matte in shades. So they have shimmery also, but I really wanted to try only the matte shade, so I bought only the matte. So as you can see, it's so colorful. We can create multiple looks with this palette. So this was the one I was eyeing for almost 1.5 years. So this was around 2,000 rupees. Now they had 40% discount on this palette. I paid 1,199 rupees, like literally 1,200 rupees. So this is almost like equal to K Beauty palette. Like K Beauty palette for 9 pan eyeshadow they charge 1,200 rupees, but as just if you compare for 42 colors you get only for 42 colors you just pay 1,200 rupees. That's like worth the haul. So next we have this 16 color eyeshadow palette. This is a nude palette, like only neutral shades they have. So this is what the original packaging looks like. This says nude 16 color eyeshadow palette, and this is what the shades look like. They comes with a mirror also and a plastic paper. Even the bigger palette contains a large mirror. As you can see, all the shades are very neutral. This looks really amazing. And if you're a person who likes only neutral shades, then you can go with this. If you're a person who likes only colorful, then you can go with 42 color eyeshadow palette. So next, the last palette in from this haul is this one. This is the newest launch. Like literally last month they launched this palette. This is their Wilderness eyeshadow palette. This contains 20 eyeshadow palettes. It's a very bulky packaging, and you get a bubble wrap over here. So yeah, it is very safe, and it's a very huge packaging. This is what the original packaging looks like, and when you open, this is what the shades looks like. Literally, when I saw this palette in one of my favorite YouTuber, like Makeup by Missa, so she showed this palette on her YouTube channel, and she's watched. I was falling in love with this palette, guys. It was super amazing, and I really like the pigmentation, the color scheme, everything. So I'll be using this palette today, guys. Seriously, I'm just raving to use this palette, so I'll be using this palette today. So before that, let me show some more products I shopped in this haul. So next I bought the Beauty Base powder bronzer. So this is what the outside packaging looks like. Very sleek, very nice, and this is what the original packaging looks like. This is the shade called Bitten. It's a beautiful mauvish pink kind of a shade. It almost looks like a dupe for the Wet n Wild Icon blush. So it's really nice to see. It's very sleek and travel friendly. And I supposed to buy their bronzer also, but the shade which I wanted to try was out of stock, so I couldn't buy that one. And next I have their powder highlighter. So the powder highlighter also comes with this same packaging, and this is what the original packaging of the highlighter looks like. And the shade is also called Beam, and it looks bomb. It really gets so shimmery. The camera is not showing that much, but in general it's so nice. And let me swatch this one, guys. Seriously, wow, seriously, so super. So it looks it was looking chunky, but when I applied and blended, it looks very nice, and the shade is really matching for my skin tone. So let me apply this on my face once I will be done with the eye makeup. So next I bought the bronzer from different brand. This is the MUA Makeup Academy bronzed bronzer. So this is in the shade Solar 130. So this is what it looks like. We don't get any outside packaging. It comes with like that. And I bought their eyeshadow and also I bought shimmer highlighter from the same brand. This is called MUA Makeup Academy Shimmer Highlight Powder. This is the shade Radiant Cashmere. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna try both the highlighter today. And last from this haul was the Beauty Bay Brow Fixer Fiber Gel. So this is what it looks like. So I'm a big fan of brow mascaras. I literally like to set my eyebrows, and this is what the gel looks like. So I'm gonna mention the name, price, everything in the description box with the link, so please go ahead and check that out. So let me go back to our eye makeup. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows first. I'll be using the Mass Cosmetics brow pencil. So this is the Micro Precision brow pencil. Seriously guys, I have been using this one non-stop, like every single day I have been using this one. It's Comp is the high-end product. Seriously, I really like this one. So it's so pigmented, very creamy, and the perfect amount. How much I want, it gives that much. So now is the time to use the Beauty Bay brow gel. So this is what the mascara wand looks like eyebrow mascara wand. So I'm just going to apply like that. Wow, it's super pigmented. So before moving on to the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use the MAC Cosmetics eye makeup primer. So for any eyeshadow looks, I have been using this one. Seriously, it gives a super amazing, very pigmentation, and it just pops the shadows. So this is what the palette looks like. This is the Beauty Bay Wilderness eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna almost create the makeup by Missa, what she created. So she started using this greens and all, so I'm gonna start with this darker green. Wow guys, look at that shadow guys. Seriously, super amazing. Wow, so amazing, super pigmented. And also guys, as you can see, there is no fallout at all. So next I'm gonna use this lighter green shade. So I'm gonna further blend with the PE23 brush. So guys, it's just blending effortlessly. I'm not putting so much pressure also. It's just blending by itself. So next I'm gonna use this light orange kind of a shade. I'm just going to blend it further. Wow, seriously, I'm loving this eye look. So next I'm gonna use this beautiful olive shimmery shade. So this is the shade called Lime. I'm gonna just swirl my brush into the shade. Ooh, wow, look at that. It looks like foil metallic. Let me go ahead and try. Wow, look at that pigment, man. Wow. So I expected what I expected. I just seeing the result. Seriously guys, it was effortless application, and as you can see, the warmth, the wetness, the thing from the shadow. I'm so happy with the shadows. It's just amazing. Seriously, really happy with the haul guys. So I'm gonna apply the same shade on my lower lashes. So I'm gonna further blend it with the olive shade. So I'm gonna take this beautiful champagne kind of shade. I'm gonna apply this on my lower lashes. I'm just willing to try this one as well. So next for the liner, I'm gonna use this ColourPop cream gel liner. So this is like almost mustard yellow kind of a shade. So for the liner, I don't have any new liner, so I'll be using the NYX Epic Ink liner. So guys, since I didn't have any new mascara and lashes, so I off camera did that. So I used the Europe Girl lashes. So I really like these lashes. Since I have a hooded eyes, I want a very minimal lashes, and this is the one I really like. As you can see, now you can see my lashes and also my eye makeup. So this is the perfect lashes for me. So why not? Now is the time to move on to the blush, bronzer and highlighter. I'm gonna move on to the MUA Makeup Academy bronzer. This is in the shade Solar 130. So it was I think below 500 rupees. I think for 300 rupees this bronzer. I'm expecting a lot from this bronzer guys. Seriously, I'm gonna take my Pro Arte BF07 brush. Wow, not bad. Wow, pigmentation is amazing, man. As you can see, wow, really nice, super pigmented. Seriously guys, if you can go get access to Beauty Bay products, definitely you can go and try. I'm super happy with the haul today. Super pigmented and the shade is matching perfectly. I thought it might go darker, but once I applied, it's perfectly matching for my skin tone. I'm going to apply a little bit on my forehead. So I'm all about budget friendly, guys. So if I shop from international website also, it should be very worth the money, so I chose like that. So I'm gonna apply this on my jawline. So even after paying 1,000 rupees also, I don't get this kind of pigmentation from some brands. So this is really making me happy. So next we'll be moving on to the Beauty Bay blush. This is in the shade Mitten. So you guys remember already we have applied a liquid blush, so this is just to top up on that. So for the highlighter, I'll be using the Beauty Bay highlighter in the shade Beam one side. For the other side, I'll be using the MUA Makeup Academy shimmer highlighter powder, this one. So on my right side, I'll be using this. Oh, super pigmented, as you can see. I'm gonna dust off the excess. Wow, man. So the highlighter is really nice, but the shade is not matching me that much. I like to use little bit of warmth shade. So this one will be really nice for people with the NC40 and below NC40. For me, it's looking bit like a very whitish kind of a thing. So now I'm gonna move on to the MUA Makeup Academy highlighter. So this is what my face looks after the highlighter. So highlighter wise, I'm not felt happy. I like to use something very warm thin shade. So both the highlighters has almost a whitish kind of a shade. So might it look nice with different looks. For this particular look, I did not like the shade, the undertone of the highlighter, but in future I might like. So that's not the case, but the pigmentation is really nice. I'm gonna just take my beauty blender and set, because I've already used a setting spray. So finally we'll be moving on to the lips. For the lips, I'll be using the NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Montreal. So I think this is one of the free gift I received, but I haven't tried this one. 2 days back I tried. I really like the shade, so thought to use today also. Very nudish pinkish kind of shade. So guys, this is the final makeup look. I just did a straightening. So before starting this video, I would have done that because I was super excited to show you my Beauty Bay haul. I didn't do straightening and just sat down to do my makeup, and today's video was really nice. It's been a while I did first impression, so I was very happy to do that for you guys. As you can see, my makeup looks very flawless. The foundation, the primer, everything was really nice. It's looking very mattified, and I don't feel any kind of heaviness at all. So it's been almost 2 hours since I applied the foundation. It's very nice, and the star of this video was the eyeshadow palette, and as you can see, it performed beautiful. And it's been a while I sat down to do a first impression, guys, as I said. So I feel very happy. I feel very connected to you guys. So thank you so much for watching till the end of this video, and all the products which I used in this video will be given in the description box. So please check that out. If you have any doubt or any thing about a Beauty Bay haul, do let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, take care.